G'day, it's Shane Dowling here from kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, it's going to be a big week for former New South Wales Deputy Premier John Barilaro. On Monday, he's personally in the witness stand at the New South Wales Independent Commission Against Corruption in relation to their inquiry into corruption allegations against former New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian. On Tuesday, John Barilaro will be in the federal court for mediation in relation to his defamation case against Jordan Shanks, the publisher of the YouTube channel Friendly Geordies. Then on Wednesday, John Barilaro's former most senior advisor, Siobhan Hamblin, will be in the witness stand at the Magistrates court, advising the court why she failed to comply with a subpoena in relation to documents she needed to hand over for the criminal case against Friendly Geordies producer Christo Lanka. Now, the criminal case relates to a false complaint that John Barilaro made to the New South Wales Police, claiming he'd been stalked and harassed when he clearly hadn't, because we've all seen the videos. It's an absolute scandal. Now, the police prosecution's in big trouble, especially when one of their key witnesses, Siobhan Hamblin, needs to hop in the witness stand and advise the court why she's failed to comply with a subpoena. That was raised in court last Friday, and the magistrate was very close to issuing an arrest warrant for Siobhan Hamblin, but finally decided to order her to show up to court next Wednesday to answer questions under cross-examination why she's failed to comply with that subpoena, and she could still face contempt charges for failing to comply. So doesn't matter how you look at it, John Barilaro's in for a big week. One of the questions you have to wonder is, will he be a free man by the end of the week? You know, is he going to perjure himself at the Independent Commission Against Corruption, or is he going to throw Gladys Berejiklian under the bus like others have last week? Then on Tuesday, you know, if he continues with his defamation case against Jordan Shanks, he's really just digging a huge hole for himself. I can't imagine John Barilaro ever wanting to hop in the witness stand at a defamation case against Jordan Shanks. Jordan Shanks has cashed up and they've got $1 million they've raised for their defence, so they're going to have quality legal team, which they have got. So it's not going to be some easy win against a self-represented litigant with no cash that John Barilaro probably thought he was going to have when he initially instituted the proceedings. In relation to the police charge against Christo Lanka, well, I'll publish an article on that Tuesday morning. So if you want to keep up to date with that, what's happening with John Barilaro and the various matters he's got going forward, you can look at the article I published on the 5th of October, the real reasons John Barilaro resigned, which is fraud, theft, abuse of power, and numerous alleged affairs. And then if you want to keep up to date with the article I'll publish on Tuesday, make sure you subscribe to the free email notification on my website, Kangaroo Court of Australia. Other than that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time and have a good day.